Hey friends, welcome back. Today in this video we will know how to place a YouTube video in your WordPress website without installing any plugin. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for that we will search for a YouTube video. I will place that video. Click on these three dots, click on share. Here click on embed. Select the iframe code and hit copy button. The code will be copied to your clipboard. Now come to your website. Open any page where you want to place your video or create a new page, whatever you want. Now click on edit. Here just search for custom HTML. Paste your code here and update all the changes. Now let's come to your website. And here you can see the video is placed successfully. Here you can use all the features of YouTube video player. You can change the quality, the speed or the language, whatever you want. You can customize and use all the features of YouTube video player. Now let's see how to customize the width and height of this video player. Here just update the width and the height of this iframe tag and you will be able to customize. And here you can see the video frame is customized successfully. So if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.